Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is going to be about your color palette. I was designing this just a while ago to make a puzzle out of it. And if you cursor way down to get a new color and so on, and you find this purple and let's draw a square and you make it that purple. Well, to get the no fill, which is all the way to the top, so you've got to hold that down till you get back to the top. Well, whenever you're working with your normal laser colors, that's not a problem. But if you're doing something like that where you need some different colors, so there's a couple of ways around that. One, you can go right here and set rows, and you can set them for 3 rows that I have in my color palette. So now I can go to that color, I can go that color, and then when I need to make no fill, it's right there. Now, I never leave those open, so I'll leave them just 1 row, but there's another way kind of around that. Come on. You can leave it at 1 row, and then you could go cursor all the way down to your violets or whatever. But if you wanted to get real quick to the no fill, you can click on this double arrow right here to your color palette, and it's going to bring it up. And then it's still back where it was. So that does a quick, 3 rows. It's still showing your original row, but it's a lot easier just to deal with. If you need to go from, if you need to find these special colors that are at the bottom and then you want no fill, it's right there. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.